In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur the background of your images using Canva. This process is great for enhancing the focus on your main subject or adding a creative touch to your designs. So let's get started. To begin, head over to canva.com and sign in using the login button located in the upper right corner of the screen. Canva offers the convenience of logging in through your Google or Facebook accounts, or you can simply use your email if that's more comfortable for you. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Canva homepage. Next, navigate to the menu by clicking on the three horizontal lines located in the top left corner. From there, click on Create a Design. This step will give you various options to start a new project. Whether you have a specific template in mind or want to start from scratch, Canva has a vast array of choices to suit your needs. After selecting your template or design type, it's time to upload and work on your photo. Click on your photo within the design interface. You'll then want to look for the Edit Photo option, which is typically found under the FX Effects section. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to access various editing tools. For a quick and automatic solution, select Autofocus. This tool intelligently detects and blurs the background of your image, making your subject stand out effortlessly. You might notice the transformation immediately, giving your photo a professional touch with minimal effort. If you want more control over the blurring effect, move over to the Adjust tab. Here you'll find the background option, which lets you control the degree of the blur. Simply adjust the slider to fine-tune the blurring effect to your liking. You can make the background as soft or as prominent as you wish, ensuring it complements the foreground perfectly. Once you've achieved the desired effect and you're satisfied with how the image looks, the final step is to save and download your design. Canva makes this process straightforward, offering you various formats to choose from. Whether you need a JPEG for social media or a PNG for high quality prints, select the option that works best for your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to blur the background of an image using Canva. This technique can transform your visuals and is a fantastic tool for content creators, marketers, or anyone looking to enhance their images with style and flair. Thanks for watching and happy designing.